Hey, what's up, traders? Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you get tons of value from my content, and we are running a contest every month to pick a winner for free full access to my academy, my trading group, my signal group, and a free phone call with me to figure out how I can help you in your own trading. So like, comment, and subscribe on as many videos as you can this month, and we'll pick a winner from the people that do randomly, and hopefully it'll be you, and hopefully I see you in my VIP group one day. So thanks for your support. Let's crush the markets. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is a gold and silver report for April 11th, Saturday, 2020. Tomorrow's Easter, so yeah, let's get going with metals. Thursday and Friday, been waiting for these moves for a long time. So I'm super excited about what could be happening, where we could be going. And I actually just bought a new iPad and really trying to integrate it, figure it out, how do you do these videos with it. And so all my charts were naturally erased. So I figured we would just start from pretty much scratch here on gold and silver so we could get some long-term targets. And I could go over what it is that I'm looking at with you all. So I'll just take that off there. Here is gold, and this is massive uptrend. And like if we go back in time a little bit, it looks pretty similar to this, and some of the people that I follow on Twitter and really respect are saying 1900, 2000, 2400 for gold new highs, definitely matching the all-time high and potentially breaking it. So man, this is the time if you're holding some trades like I am, like, oh man, do I take profits now, or do I hold? This could be the hold of a lifetime, you know what I mean? So, but this is what I'm looking at right now. And of course, this is a monthly chart, but I just kind of noticed these fractals here. And this actually works a little bit better on the weekly. Right, so this would make a lot of sense. So fractal down here, fractal points, this nice little dip right here. This really makes a lot of sense to me. And we can go just from the top, see what this kind of effect this had. So you can see that this was pretty significant. So if this downturn line was significant, that would tell me this kind of potential overthrow line would be as well. So for that to be a potential target would put us right at 1900. So first of all, we have to challenge this, let me move this 1740 level. And I'll tell you why 1740 is significant. And if you're in my VIP group, I've been talking about this number for a while now. It's where this blue line is, and that's us right at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement here. So, that looks very, very doable for sure. If we don't even, gap up there on Monday, who knows what could happen. So the bottom line is we've broken out of this consolidation pattern down here, and now starting to make some serious moves higher. And next stop really is to challenge these all-time highs, which would also coincide with this trend line here. So makes for an interesting target. I haven't had that line there before, but it does make a lot of sense to me. And we can see since we've broken out of this pattern here, how aggressive this uptrend. And you know what? It looks like we're just in the beginning of it, especially if we compare it to maybe this breakout here, which would be around 1,000. So 1,000 all the way almost up to 2,000 here. So pretty significant. So just keep in mind this level, this breakout here, and where we're at now. And then let's go over to take a look at silver and why that's significant. So here's our silver chart, and similar to gold, we have been in a huge consolidation pattern for years now, literally since 2013-ish, so almost 8 years. And with gold, we already broke out of this consolidation pattern. Silver, we're still inside of it. So that's means to me that potentially silver has a lot of catching up to do. Now, this is very significant. If you're in my group, you're probably sick of hearing me talk about this false breakdown right here, which is definitely a false breakdown we have going on now. So with that being said, first stop is retesting this the top of the wedge, and that's a pretty simple target, but a logical one, and that's coming in at 19. So just like on gold, we'll do all-time high here to the bottom of the wedge for Fibonacci. Now, gold's already gotten to the 61.8% retracement of this move. Silver hadn't even gotten to 23.6. So you can see that if this breaks out of here, how much of a rally we could be in store for with silver. You know, could be life-changing for sure. And but let's rewind a little bit and go macro or micro down a little bit. And so this is the false breakout or breakdown. Here we are in this definite uptrend. We are in this reversal pattern here, or not reversal pattern. We are in this little holding pattern here for a couple weeks. So we were in trades in the VIP group from 12, 13 to, you know, these levels around 14. So this is a nice little triangle pattern. Then we had our little breakout on Thursday. There's another triangular pattern here. So this 14.9, 1490 level, pretty significant. This was also the breakout point. There it is. And so this is how I was measuring it at home, and these were the levels that I was watching, and watching for this breakout, watching for this one, and you know, we closed challenging these little highs here. But now set up our Fibonacci's, and you know, we're right at this 50% retracement. We're just above it, above this 50% here. And so next stop is the 61.8 at 16 bucks. And you know, if we just got to keep in mind, it's easy to go micro and be like, oh man, I should take some profits here. And trust me, I'm thinking the same thing myself. But you know, when I go out to this weekly chart and I look at this, like, we're, you know, I teach and I believe, because I've seen it so many times, that a false breakdown usually leads to a breakout. So we're breaking higher, and we've really just begun breaking higher, to be honest. So we're at 1535, 1540 now. It's a long way to 19 bucks, and it's a really, really long way to 26, which is the 38.2. 35, which is the 61.8. And you know, if gold challenges the former all-time highs, you know, maybe silver might too. So this is what I'm looking at. This is super exciting. So be patient, try to get those good entries, and we'll be all over it in our VIP group. And if you'd like to catch those trades with us, click links below to get started. We'd love to have you. Have an awesome weekend. Happy Easter, everybody. Peace.